Hello students, so welcome back in the engineering graphics lab. In this class we will see the topic about the projection of solid and the main thing is how to cut the solid and how to develop its lateral surface. So let's see the question. A hexagonal pyramid with a side 30 mm and height 60 mm resting on HP with a side parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane making an angle of 40 degree with the HP and bisects the axis. Draw its front view, sectional top view and draw its lateral surface DLS. Okay. So let's start the problem. First of all, compare your drafter with the drawing sheet and make it align. Draw XY line. Okay, so draw a circle having the radius equal to 30 mm, which is equal to the side of the pyramid, of the base of the pyramid. So open your compass 30 mm and draw a circle. So make it faint, as this is not the required figure. We have to draw a hexagonal pyramid. So cut it, bisect it from the center, the line passing through the center of the circle, divided into 4 parts. So how to draw a hexagon over here? So from here we have seen that its side is parallel to VP. So we have to make one of its side parallel to VP. So in the first angle projection, this is our VP and this is our HP. So we have to keep one of its side parallel to VP. So put your compass edge over here and cut the circle at 2 points. In the same way, mark 2 points on the circle, and when we join all these points, say A, B, C, D, E, F, so we will get a hexagon. Join all the point with the faint lines, with the continuous thin lines. Why we are making it with continuous thin line? Actually, this is a problem of section of solid, and we only mark it dark after we will pass the section plane. So draw hexagon. Okay, so this is the center of the hexagon. Mark it O. Okay, again align your drafter with the reference line, extend the center in the front view, and the height of the axis, height of the solid is 60 mm. So 60 mm, mark a point and draw a center line. Okay, so this point is our O dash. Project all the points from the top view in the front view. So B and F lie on the same projector. In the same way, C and E lie on the same projector. So here we will get A dash, here we will get B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. You can see A, B from here, F from here, C, E and D. Okay. Join all the points of the base with the apex or vertex. This point is vertex or apex. So join all the point with the O dash. So join A dash with O dash, but with the faint lines. Join D dash with O dash. O dash with D dash. In the same way, join B dash with O dash and C dash with O dash. So we have joined all the point in the front view with the O dash. Okay, and in the same way, join all the points in the top view with the O. Again with the continuous thin lines or faint lines. Okay, so from this figure it is clear that we have A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F and FA. These all are base edges, and OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, these all are slant edges. So keep it in mind and let's see the problem. So we have completed with the top view and front view of the hexagonal pyramid. Now, as the problem belongs to section of the solid, so let's see the section. It is cut by a section plane making an angle of 40 degree. So we have to make a section plane which is inclined at 40 degree with the HP. Okay, and bisecting the axis. So it is bisecting the axis. So bisecting the axis means it is cutting the central axis at the center. So mark a point at the center of the axis, that means at 30 mm, and draw a faint line at that point. Now take an angle of 40 degree. So first of all, check the error in the drafter. It is of 1.5 degree. So take the angle of almost 38.5 and cut the it cuts the at these points. Okay, so let's see this portion is a removed portion. Why? As we know that the portion in between the observer is here. The portion in between the observer and the section plane is called removed portion, is observed at removed portion. Okay, so to represent this section plane we need to show two arrows over here and write VT. Okay. Now let's observe it is cutting the base edge. As we know that AB is a base edge, so AB is base edge and it is cutting say at point 1 dash. Again we know that AF is also a base edge, so it is cutting two base edges. We can also cross check it by extending the line, extending this point in the top view. So here we see it is cutting at this point, say it is 1, and it is also cutting this point AF at say point 2. So we have to mark here 2 dash also. Okay. Next, this point is 3 dash. Extend this point in the top view. So this point is 3 dash, but is also being cut by so 3, not 3 dash. Okay, so 3 as the point is on top view. So here we we are also seeing that OF is also being cut by this line. So here we say write it 4 dash. So we can write. It is better to keep it in sequence, I think. So we don't write 4 here. So let's see next. For OB we write 3. For OC we write 4. For OD we write 5. So OC we write 4. OD we write 5. OE we write 6 and OF we write 7. Okay. So join all these points in the top view. We will. So here we have 4 dash. Here we have 5 dash. Here we have 6 dash and 7 dash. So here join all the points to get sectional top view. So join 1 with 2. 1 with 3, but with continuous thick lines, dark lines. Join 4 with 5, 5 with 6, and so on. So make your drafter inclined at 45 degree and draw the section lines. It should be equally spaced and inclined at 45 degree. So this is our sectioned area. Now after drawing this, we are able to see which area has to be kept dark and which area has to be kept faint. So now this is retained area, so make it dark. So dark all the baselines and all the slant edges, slant lines. In the top view also we have to make the remain portion dark. So dark all the baselines and then dark all the remaining slant edges. But make it clear that not any single dark line will pass through the section area. So this is the sectional top view and this is the front view. So from the question itself we will see that front view is not sectional. So means we come to know that a section plane will pass through the front view and we will get sectional top view. So you will get an idea from the question itself that where to pass the sectional plane and where to draw the sectional view. Okay, so this is all about this question, and if you have any problem please let me know. I will clear all the doubts, and we will discuss about development in the very next class. So take care and stay safe. Bye.